Now to the surgical guide step, to the finalization. Here, if I click or tick this icon, scan represents the prosthesis, meaning that I have a denture that I'm going to modify, and this is not the case in our case here. So I'll just click next without ticking this box. Okay, we have our settings as usual. Guide thickness, I leave it 2.5. Additional roundation, height, it's okay. And I'm looking for the spacer, sleeve spacer. Offset is 0.03. Never to leave this unless you are going to mill. I'll put it, since it's a big guide, I'll put it 0.3 millimeters. And I can start drawing the guide. Next, of course, you have to apply. Then next. I start drawing the guide. One important question, is it better to make it with two guides or one guide? In my opinion, one guide, if you have two guides, two different guides, it will be more accurate, okay, because you will decrease the offset spacer, but one guide, it will be better seated. So it's up to you to decide. So if I have a case of like a lower left and right second molars, probably I would have done them with two separate guides. Next, I can put a window. Again, when you put the window, make sure you're not weakening the guide. And you can still label your patient, label the guide, and you can just adjust this. Look from different angles as usual. Next. Take some time according to your laptop or PC specs. And now we have the guide. You can freeform it. For example, if I have a weak spot here, I can do some freeform, add material. For example, if this area was thinner or smaller, I can increase some material to make it stronger during printing, and I can smooth it, of course, so as not to be bulging or bumping like this. Okay, and then I can click next, and I can merge, I can save the merged part as STL file and send it to my 3D printer to print it. Of course, don't forget to send your report, also export your report with the screenshots if you need extra screenshots, and the guide for printing, and check the guide from different angles. You can hide everything here. And just leave the guide. Make sure everything is hidden. Sleeves too. We can hide all instead of just clicking every part and search for the merged part and show it. Check from every direction. Can right click it and save scene or save implant as STL, and you can of course you have to click I'm done. Next you have your report, and you can export your guides, or if you open your Explorer here you can find the guide, or if you don't find it, you can just open your CAD and export the merged part. We'll load scene. Load scene file if you want to check it again. You can show all, then hide all. Then mark the merged part. Search for the merged part here. Save to STL file. You right click on the guide, save to STL file, and you can save it, call it surgical guide. You leave the guide with the original arrangement, or the original layout, or original position of the model, and save it.